alaikum. I wish all the nationals and residents of Saudi Arabia a very happy 90th National Day. The history of the Saudi royal family and the Kingdom of the Saudi Arabia traces its roots back to the earliest civilizations of the Arabian Peninsula. Over the years, the peninsula has played an important role in the history as an ancient trade center and as a birthplace of Islam. King Abdulaziz Al Saud established the modern Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in 1932 on September 23. Since then, it's 90 years today and there's no looking back to the nation. The kingdom has flourished in every aspect. I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to the custodian of two holy mosques, King Salman and Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, who have served their best to the nation. I would like to conclude my speech by the national anthem of Saudi Arabia. سارعي للمجد والعليا مجدا لخالق السماء وارفعوا الخفاق الأخضر يحمل النور المصدر رددي الله أكبر يا موطني موطني عشت فخر المسلمين